Are you looking for a premium MPV? Then this video is for you. Today we have this impressive Mercedes-Benz V-Class AMG line that perfectly combines executive comfort with everyday practicality. Starting at the front, the large Mercedes grille, sleek LED headlights and sculpted bumper design give it that unmistakable executive look. Moving down the side, you can really appreciate the long, elegant body profile, ideal for families, business use, or chauffeur work here in the UK. Step inside and you're immediately welcomed by a spacious and beautifully presented cabin. The front seats are heated, supportive, and finished to a high standard, offering excellent comfort whether you're on short city drives or long motorway journeys. The dashboard layout is clean, modern, and driver-focused with quality materials throughout. Using the electric sliding door, access to the rear is effortless, perfect for passengers and incredibly practical in tight parking spaces. In the back, you've got a full 7-seat configuration offering generous legroom and flexibility. Looking up, the panoramic roof allows natural light to flood into the cabin, creating an airy and luxurious atmosphere throughout. Moving around to the rear, the V-Class maintains that premium styling with subtle chrome detailing and clean body lines. With the touch of a button, the electric tailgate opens smoothly and quietly. Inside, the boot space is generous. Even with all 7 seats in place, there's still practical luggage capacity. Fold the rear seats down and you unlock a truly vast loading area. And to close, simply press the button and the tailgate lowers automatically. Convenient and refined. Back in the driver's seat, visibility is excellent and the elevated driving position gives you confidence on the road. The G-Tronic automatic gearbox delivers smooth gear changes, and with paddle shift controls, you have added control when needed. The central infotainment display, complete with navigation and premium Burmester sound system, offers crisp audio and intuitive functionality. Behind the steering wheel, the instrument cluster is clear and informative, displaying everything you need at a glance. And finally, the multifunction steering wheel feels solid and refined, putting all key controls comfortably within reach. That's it for today's video on this stunning Mercedes V-Class. If it's caught your eye, get in touch with us today. We'd love to get you behind the wheel.